Hey guys, welcome back to yet another one of my videos. On the menu today we are going to be making fettuccine shrimp Alfredo pasta. Now that we have all our ingredients, the first thing we're going to do is add salt to a boiling pot of water, then adding our fettuccine pasta. This next step is completely optional. I'm going to be removing the tails off of the shrimp. Again, you don't have to do this. This was just my preference. Our fettuccine pasta has been boiling for about 10 to 12 minutes, so now we're going to go ahead and strain the water off of pasta and set aside for the next steps. Now we are on to our shrimp. We're going to season our shrimp using all the powder seasonings listed in the previous step. That's our Mrs. Dash, our all-purpose seasoning, garlic and onion, black pepper, and fish seasoning. For the next step, we're going to saute all our plant-based seasonings. I've already gone ahead and diced my sweet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, and garlic. Now I'm going to add my vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, and saute my plant-based seasonings until they are soft. Once my seasoning is cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add my heavy cream. I did use the entire box, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then adding my Alfredo sauce and allowing it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add our shrimp, which we have already seasoned and cooked for 2 minutes before adding our pasta. Add your pasta and make sure that it is completely covered and smothered in sauce. Once your sauce is to the thickness you desire, you can go ahead and add your mozzarella cheese to your pasta and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. There you have it, guys, fettuccine shrimp Alfredo pasta. You can go ahead and add your parmesan cheese and your parsley on top and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe. Don't forget to follow along in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.